Could the Galaxy S25 be the future of smartphones? With the official launch just around the corner, rumors and leaks are already making waves in the tech world. This next generation device promises to bring cutting edge features and incredible advancements powered by artificial intelligence. Well, what exactly can you expect from Samsung's latest flagship? Let's take a closer look at some of the standout innovations that could redefine the way you use your phone. One of the most exciting new features of the Galaxy S25 series is its AI powered video editing capabilities. Samsung has introduced a tool called Circle to Search, which will change the way you interact with videos. This feature allows you to quickly search for tagged people within a video, streamlining the editing process and saving you time. In addition, it allows you to capture still images from any video recorded on your phone. Imagine being able to extract high-quality stills from a memorable moment without having to pause or edit the video yourself. This means more efficiency for creators and better quality for those looking to capture important moments. Another feature that stands out is the AI Select tool, which allows you to extract specific segments of a video and turn them into GIFs. While this feature may seem familiar, Samsung's version is designed to be more intuitive and efficient, ensuring that your GIFs come out with higher quality and better ease of use. Whether you want to share a funny moment or capture a quick action sequence, this tool makes it simple to create professional-looking results. The convenience and ease with which you can now create these GIFs could make this feature a go-to for those who love sharing short snippets from videos. The Galaxy S25 also comes with an enhanced version of Samsung's Call Assist feature, which already offers real-time audio translation. This upgrade takes it a step further by expanding language support to include 20 additional languages, doubling the current capabilities. With this expanded language support, Samsung ensures that communication across language barriers becomes easier, whether you're traveling or working in a global environment. This addition will make the Galaxy S25 a must-have device for anyone who frequently interacts with people from different cultures or regions. But it doesn't end there. Samsung is bringing even more AI-driven tools to the table. Innovations like Homework AI and Music Search are expected to make their debut on the Galaxy S25. Homework AI is designed to assist students with their academic tasks, offering support in organizing and completing assignments more efficiently. For students, this could be a game changer as it could help streamline their study routines and improve productivity. Meanwhile, Music Search will enhance the way you discover and interact with music on your device, offering a more personalized experience that adapts to your music preferences. Samsung has also introduced enhanced automation with its new enhanced routines. These improvements will allow your phone to predict your needs and adjust settings accordingly, making your everyday tasks simpler and more convenient. From adjusting the brightness to setting reminders at the right time, the Galaxy S25 will be able to anticipate your actions and adapt in real time. The integration of Gemini AI into apps like Samsung Calendar, Samsung Notes, and Samsung Reminder further enhances your device's ability to organize your day. This means managing your schedule and staying on top of important tasks will become much smoother as the phone learns how to best assist you. If you're as excited as we are to see what Samsung has in store with the Galaxy S25, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. We'll be bringing you in-depth looks at the new features and keeping you informed about everything you need to know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have you been wondering about the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series and what it will bring to the table? The wait is almost over. Thanks to a major leak by renowned industry insider Evan Blass, we just gotten a sneak peek at the upcoming models in the Galaxy S25 series, showcasing their stunning color options and giving us a closer look at what Samsung has in store for us. This year's Galaxy lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra, all of which will be unveiled during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22. These models will each be available in 4 colors, but don't be surprised if special online exclusive shades make an appearance later. The leak reveals the color options in incredible detail, giving us a chance to see these phones up close and personal. While we had heard rumors and seen potential color lists in the past, this is the first time we get to witness the true look of these models. As for the internals, the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This cutting-edge processor promises to deliver significant improvements in both performance and efficiency, making it one of the fastest and most efficient chipsets available in the smartphone world. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is designed to handle it all with ease. While the camera specs and battery life will likely be similar to previous Galaxy S models, the upgraded chipset is a major selling point. It will enhance the overall performance, ensuring that the Galaxy S25 series remains a top contender in the highly competitive smartphone market of 2025. Along with the boost in processing power, Samsung is also focusing on design with these new models. One feature that stands out is the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim, a model set to release later this year. The S25 Slim will offer a thinner profile, making it an ideal option for those who prefer a lighter and more compact phone without sacrificing performance. Rumors suggest that it will feature the Ultra camera, which will likely include the same high-quality sensors as the S25 Ultra, ensuring excellent photography capabilities despite the slimmer design. However, there's one notable change in the leaked images that might catch your attention. Unlike the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, which will come in a vibrant navy blue, the S25 Ultra's blue variant appears more grayish in tone. While this may be a surprising shift, especially for those who were expecting a bold traditional navy, it doesn't detract from the overall premium design of the S25 Ultra. For those who are passionate about color options, Samsung has historically released exclusive color variants online, so it's always worth checking for special editions. Still, the black version is a classic and sophisticated choice that never seems to go out of style. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is the emphasis on artificial intelligence (AI). Samsung is taking a page out of Apple's playbook, integrating AI enhancements that are designed to streamline the user experience and make it even more intuitive. These improvements aim to enhance everything from camera performance to battery management, ensuring that users get the most out of their devices. If you're excited about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series and want to stay up to date with all the latest tech news, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way and we'll keep you informed on everything tech-related. See you in the next video. What makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the talk of the town? With Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event right around the corner, the buzz surrounding the upcoming release is only growing louder. Among the many exciting features Samsung is set to reveal, the enhanced sketch-to-image AI tool is certainly stealing the spotlight. First introduced in the previous Galaxy S series, sketch-to-image allowed users to turn basic sketches into detailed images using the S Pen or their fingers. But Samsung is taking this feature to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, the tool isn't just about drawing. The updated version now supports text and voice commands. That means you can describe an image in words and watch as your ideas are transformed right before your eyes. For instance, you could sketch a simple outline of a tree and say, sunset over a forest, and instantly see your sketch become a stunning, colorful landscape. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary way to create on a smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about giving you more tools. It's about turning your device into a powerful creative companion, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Integrated within One UI 7, Samsung's latest user interface, this feature is designed to make the creative process smoother than ever. One UI 7 isn't just about improving the look and feel of the interface, it's built to understand natural language. Whether you're speaking, typing, or using images, the AI seamlessly interprets your inputs, making it easier to communicate with your device in a way that feels more human. This new functionality opens up endless possibilities. Whether you're an aspiring designer looking for an efficient way to create or just someone who enjoys experimenting with fun ideas, sketch-to-image is poised to change the way we think about mobile creativity. The addition of text and voice commands means anyone, regardless of their artistic ability, can easily create beautiful, detailed images with just a few words. No need to be an expert sketch artist, all you need is a bit of imagination. Beyond the creative features, Samsung is positioning itself as a leader in the AI-driven mobile space. While competitors like Apple have been slowly rolling out AI capabilities, Samsung is setting a fast pace, showcasing its commitment to pushing boundaries. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about playing catch-up, it's about taking the lead in shaping the future of smartphone technology. With cutting-edge features like these, Samsung is proving that it has the vision to stay ahead of the curve. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about one feature, though. As the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22 approaches, there's anticipation that Samsung will unveil even more innovative features that could redefine smartphone technology. From ad-powered creativity to advancements in other areas, the S25 Ultra is poised to set new standards across the industry. It's clear that Samsung isn't just focused on keeping up with current trends. They're setting the trends for what smartphones will be capable of in the future. As we eagerly await the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's clear that this device is not only about improving existing technology, but also about introducing new ways for users to interact with their smartphones. The AI-powered enhancements and creative tools are just a glimpse of what's to come. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another phone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its enhanced AI tools, advanced user interface, and focus on creativity, it's setting the stage for a whole new era of smartphones. If you're excited about what the Galaxy S25 Ultra has to offer, Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest news. We'll keep you updated every step of the way.